Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, and I'm back at Aldi. It's sunny, and I'm excited to get my grocery shopping done. I love sunny weather. It puts me in a good mood, and I have a feeling shopping at Aldi is going to do the same thing. As a reminder, I do a majority of my shopping each week at Aldi. However, I use stuff for my pantry, for my freezer, and because I like to grocery shop, it's not abnormal for me to pop into Trader Joe's or Costco or other places to see what they have, and that supplements these types of hauls. Now let's get into Aldi, get the goodies for the week, and don't forget my meal plan and any recipes are shared at the end. I picked these up when I was out of town last week for a snack. They are so good. If you've never had them, you should get them, but they weren't a part of my normal haul, but they're delicious. I am going to get this week though. Mixed nuts, $12.99. My husband and my son really love these, but my son especially will come home from school and just have a small bowl of nuts. Great snack. I knew it would happen. I've been buying these for Elsie's lunch, and now all three of my kids want them. I'm getting each of them a bag for lunches this week, $3.29. Oreos were on the shopping list. I'm not sure who put them there or why, but probably a snack on, $2.49. Okay, I told my kids one more week of these in their lunch, and then we're going back to smaller treats. $1.89, I'm getting 2 boxes. We are doing walking tacos. Need corn chips for them. We make them in a bowl, so they're not really walking, but you get the idea. $1.79. I'm tempted to these vanilla donuts with Valentine chocolate and sprinkles. $1.89. I'll get them. My husband's working from home today, and I'll bet you he will bust into these right when I get home. Okay, I'm getting a baguette for pasta. We like to slice it with butter and cheese, $1.59. I need the queso for my son's lunches and also for walking tacos, $1.89. I'm also going to get another bag of tortilla chips. I think we have enough, but just in case, $1.99. I'm getting some bananas, 41 cents a pound. Cantaloupe is on sale for $2.49, so I'm going to get one of these, and I like to slice these and have spears. My daughters especially like to have these with meals. I'm getting a head of cauliflower. We'll skip this one. I'm going to get that one right there. It's $2.79, and I'm making cauliflower bites, buffalo ones. I'm getting spinach. I'm going to use these with our Asian noodle bowls today, and I'll probably use this in my walking taco as well, $1.49. Yay, mini cucumbers are back, $1.89. My kids love these. Getting gala apples because they're the best price, $1.99 for the bag. I'm going to roast Brussels sprouts, $2.89. I need a dozen eggs, $1.97. I'm making black bean soup. I need 8 cans. That's for my dog and for the black bean soup. So 8 at 79 cents a piece. Okay, I'm getting 10 pounds of potatoes at $4.49. We are potato lovers, and I'm making potato wedges this week. I'm getting mini avocado bags. These just seem like they're going to be easier to be ripe than those ones. $2.29, and I love to put avocado on top of black beans and then walking tacos. Kalamata olives for Elsie's lunches, $2.09. I also grabbed these. They don't have the biltong anymore, but last week I tried these at the other store and they were so good. I got them when I got the cashews. I definitely recommend, and I'll be getting more of these. I'm getting apple juice boxes, $2.79. I was here on, I think, Thursday of last week to look for the Nido gummy bears, and they had so many plants. They're all gone, but that one. They were $14.99. I'm not a big plant person, but I know it was a good deal. These are so soft. They have pink, like a oatmeal color. Very, very soft. $14.99. Different socks, high-waisted leggings, trainers. Lots of fitness stuff still. $4.99 activity tracker. I feel like my son would really like that. Counting his steps and the time on it. Waffle maker. We have a waffle maker. I love it. Drawer organizers. These are really nice. Coffee mugs with lids, highball glasses, those are pretty. LED lights, different organization stuff still. These are cute, but I don't have room to store real specialty stuff. Chef mats, $12.99. Oh, I've been wanting to get more of these because my straps broke on my other one. Okay, well, I'm gonna get these and add them to my bag collection. I'm gonna get 2 of them. Like I said, my straps broke on my last one that I used all the time, so $9.99. We've reached the land of Valentine's, so many different candy things. I don't really see anything new. It all looks pretty familiar to the things that I bought, but it does seem like they really sold out of the Galentine candles, so I'm glad I got what I got already. Really cute Valentine tablecloth. Different triples, almost out of the Nidos. They have Valentine packs of Play-Doh, different cards, cute sweaters, very few Squishmallows left. Looks like Super Bowl snacks are here and ready. I don't know what we're having on the Super Bowl yet, but I know it's going to include this. And it's $4.79. That's such a good price. It's like $9 or $10 for the Velveeta Queso Blanco. I'm getting a can of green chilies for my black bean soup, 79 cents. We ran out of vegetable oil, $3.59. We're having a very simple pasta meal later this week, $1.59, tomato, basil, garlic. I'm gonna get rigatoni for the meal. I don't always see this one here, and I know my family likes it, $1.65. Once again, they have like no broths. I was looking for vegetable broth, so guess I'll have to just use bouillon. Chocolate chips were on my Alexa grocery shopping list, and I don't know what kind, but I'm gonna assume semi-sweet at $1.89. I feel like that's a safe bet. I have all my meats that I need in my freezer, but I was looking for red stickers and nothing here. No deal to stock my freezer more. I'm not sure how much these are. There's no price, but my husband loves them. Okay, I need a mild cheddar, $3.69. And my kid's favorite, the Mexi style. Of course, we need these for walking tacos, $2.89. I'm not buying either of these, but they have a cheeseburger flatbread pizza that looks so good to me. I don't know how, oh, it's $6.99. And then they also have these heart-shaped pizzas that are $5.99. Ooh, and they have all these specialty cheeses, mature cheddar, raspberries and white chocolate, gin and rhubarb. Yummy. I actually have quite a large stock of these, but look how many they have unflavored, yay. Yay, they have the extra fine green beans back. I'm getting these at $2.19 a piece. I'm also gonna get 2 bags of green beans at 96 cents a piece. And I am gonna use these instead of the can for my dog. Not because I feel like I have to, but I think it was a good idea that to cut out a little bit of sodium, it's probably good for her. I don't remember if I've ever bought this before, but it looks really nice and plentiful for our noodles tonight. I'm just gonna get this, $3.59. I did make sure there were no mushrooms in there, so it looks like my family will like it. Okay, a pail of ice cream, $6.49. If you've been around a while, you know my husband is the one that wanted this. Okay, well, I've resisted long enough. I'm gonna get these hazelnut sandwich biscuits. They're like sandwich cookies. They're so good, $3.49. My oldest daughter always asks me to get hot chips, so I'm gonna try these hot barbecue. I might save them for the Super Bowl, we'll see, but $2.19. Okay, here is my cart. Any guess on the total? And I scanned these and I'm putting them to the test already. But look how cute they are. And they have little pockets for like receipts or coupons or lists or whatever. Okay, it's all there. I got my $2 discount. And my total is $132.99. Not too bad, including 2 bags. Okay, the meal plan for this week. Tonight we're having momofuku Asian noodles and ginger beef in the Instant Pot. This was on last week's meal plan, but instead of having it last night, it got bumped to today. And here's the momofuku noodles. Of course, these are not from Aldi. You can get them at Target, or I ordered them online from Momofuku. Tuesday, my vegetarian daughter requested black bean soup. Me and my girls love this. The boys not so much, but we have plenty of pantry food. I'm not sure it's gonna be Wednesday. It might switch with one of these, but we're celebrating my oldest daughter finishing something stressful, so we're gonna go out to eat to Qdoba, which is her choice. Thursday, we are gonna have pasta, a very simple dinner. I'm actually going out to dinner with a friend and my family. Pasta is a very easy win for them. Friday, my husband requested we have walking tacos, so that'll be Friday's dinner. Saturday, I'm gonna make buffalo cauliflower bites with potato wedges. I make the potato wedges homemade, season them. The buffalo cauliflower is like boneless chicken wings, except for with cauliflower. My older daughter, who's vegetarian, loves these, and so I'm trying to make them for her. And then Sunday is gonna be the Super Bowl, of course, and we're gonna have some sort of a yummy food, snacky spread. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. We're still trying to figure out who's gonna be here and what we're making. So I'm gonna have to do a grocery haul later in the week to get Super Bowl food. So maybe I'll share that with you too. This is our meal plan for the week. If you want to see me making walking tacos, you can watch this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.